Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. All right, you all, today it is all about the Galaxy S10. We got CES right around the corner. Evan Blass is giving us the best that he's got so far as the leaks are concerned. So we got a great idea as to how the Galaxy S10 is going to look, but it's going to be a super beast with this new infinity display. It looks beautiful. Now let's talk about the notch real quick. Now they're calling it a notch in spite of the fact that it's like a little pinhole and it's being displayed on the side. Now most people want to see this display on the front, right in the center. Me on the side is out the way, but it also creates a good look. Now we're going to get three versions of this. We're going to get what is called a 5.8-inch light, and then we're going to get a 6.1-inch display. We're going to get a 6.4-inch display also. Now for the 5.8-inch display, what it's coming with is a Super AMOLED display. It's going to have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which I thought was pretty cool because we have them on laptops nowadays, which I thought was pretty awesome. And you're going to have a dual camera on the back. You're going to have a 12 megapixel wide angle and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. Now for the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy S10 Plus, you're pretty much going to have the same specs for the most part. You're going to have a 6.1-inch display, Super AMOLED display that is. Going to have an in-display fingerprint scanner. We've been looking for this for a very long time. I can't wait to see this smartphone in person. Now the camera, the rear camera is going to have a triple camera. You're going to have a 12 megapixel wide angle, a 12 megapixel telephoto, and a 16 megapixel fixed focus 120 degree super wide angle lens. I'm telling you, this smartphone is going to be off the chain. Smartphone companies are taking cameras to a whole new level. So if you're into taking pictures, you're going to enjoy this. Even for the people who are selfie takers, right? You're going to get a dual camera for the S10 and the S10 Plus. And for the 5.8-inch light, you're going to get a single lens. It's still going to be cool because it's going to be affordable. It's going to be a smaller device, and it's still going to look super awesome. Now, what's coming with this so far as the chipset is concerned, you're going to get an Exynos for the people who are overseas, Exynos 9820. For the US, we should be getting a Snapdragon 855. Now, it's being speculated that we may get 8 gigabytes of RAM all the way up to 128 gigabytes of RAM. I don't think we'll get 128. I think we'll get anywhere between 6 and 8 gigabytes of RAM. Now, storage-wise, we're pretty much going to get the same size storage as we got for the Galaxy Note 9, which is 128 gigabytes up to a terabyte. Now, depending on which one you buy, it's going to depend on how much your smartphone is going to cost. Now, it's also being speculated, just rumors right now, is that we may get what is called power share, where we're able to power up other devices with the Galaxy S10. Now, I'm thinking, people, this is going to be the best design, the best looking smartphone on the planet for 2019. Now, that's just my opinion. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And let me know if you're going to be picking up the Galaxy S10 as well. Now, for those of you all who don't know, the Galaxy Note 10 is coming. Save your money. All right, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.